Right, I'm gonna let Jack shoot me with his airsoft sniper rifle. See him right there? I'm gonna walk up to the target and let him shoot me. It's a bit windy. There's our target. See the target? Right, now he's gonna fucking shoot me. Ah! Yeah! Fuck! You hit me in the shoulder blade. It's a stinger, isn't it? Don't lie, it stung you as well. That's why you wanted to shoot me. You just wanted to shoot me. Is there a mark? Have a look.
Yeah,
Up. Is there a mark?
I don't know, but you've got spots on the mark, I'm not sure.
By there somewhere?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's red.
Yeah.
Like a little blister, like.
Like a little blister?
Yeah.
Shit. What do you mean I got spots on my back?
Like, I don't know.
I got spots on my back.
You have moles.
Oh, I got moles. There's his weapon.
Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Like,
It hurts. I wouldn't like it in the face. Shit.